Watching Utah's #1 news channel. This is 2 News at 5.
Hey, how much sleep do you need each night to feel rested? 5, maybe 6 hours?
Not so fast. Mary Nichols tells us why a minimum of 7 hours is necessary for optimal health.
So there's kind of a window between 7 and 9 hours that we're recommending.
Dr. Douglas Ross is the medical director at the Utah Sleep Medicine Center. He says for adults, getting less than 7 hours of sleep not only causes daytime fatigue and sleepiness, but it's also when health consequences rise.
When people don't get enough sleep, there's hormonal changes and metabolism changes within their body that creates obesity. It's related to hypertension. We see mood disorders. We see irritability.
Dr. Ross says sleep needs to be a priority for everyone.
In our society, we think that sleep is wasted time.
And for those who think they only need a few hours of sleep every night, Dr. Ross says they're probably wrong.
People are not all that good of a judge as far as how they feel.
If you currently aren't reaching the 7-hour sleep benchmark, it's important to set routine bedtimes and wake-up times to ensure enough shut-eye. And although a weekday sleep debt cannot be paid on the weekends, short afternoon naps do help with tiredness. That's especially true for teenagers.
And teenagers need more sleep than adults, yet they don't get enough, and they have less sleep than anybody.
If you're setting aside the time for sleep but still don't feel rested, Dr. Ross says improper sleep hygiene can be to blame for disrupted sleep.
I have patients that sleep with their pets and they have to let their pets out in the middle of the night. I have people that drink too much caffeine. I have people that take long naps during the daytime and then they can't sleep at night. So there are a lot of reasons that are interfering with our sleep.
Mary Nichols, 2 News.
Well, Dr. Ross says one of the biggest culprits in the bedroom is technology. The bright lights send a signal to our brains to stay awake, which can be detrimental when you're trying to fall asleep.